Okay, so in today's video, we are going to discuss the dissolution of tablets and capsules. So, first off, we are going to start with the tablets. So, first, whenever you take a tablet, the first thing that happens when it enters the body is known as deaggregation. Deaggregation means that all the components, all the parts get separated. Like if you're adding binders, diluents, at each point of time they start separating, and in the end you are left with your drug, which will go to its site of action. Then the drug is going to dissolve in that site of action in the medium, and then a solution will be formed. So this is how dissolution in general works. Now for tablets we use two type of apparatus according to the USP. So first is basket type and other is paddle type. So in basket type you will have a shaft, you'll have a wire mesh basket. So both of them are really very similar, except for there are a few differences. The first difference you'll see is this: here there will be a basket type and here there will be a pedal. Second point of difference will be that here the tablet will be placed inside the basket type, and here the tablet will be placed below the pedal type. Next point is that you have to maintain a temperature of 37 degree Celsius. Why 37 degrees Celsius? Because that is the temperature of human body. So we have to maintain the conditions as it is, as they are in our body. Next point of difference in both of these is, here I have to maintain a level of 100 ml solution, and here I'm supposed to make a level of 900 ml solution. Okay, and one more point of time here, that wire helix will be attached with the tablet here, because it will prevent it from floating upside, because the tablet is supposed to stay below the paddle. Okay, now dissolution test as per USP. Like, what if one of your test fails? Then what you are supposed to do? So at like one point of time, I will make a batch of 6 tablets, and then I'm supposed to test it one by one. I'll put my tablet here. So at one time I'm supposed to only put one tablet. So my first, I'll make the 3 batches: first batch, second batch, and third batch. First batch is supposed to contain 6 tablets, second is supposed to have 6 tablets, and third is supposed to have 12 tablets. Now, of my first batch, what does USP say? In my first batch, there should be an acceptance rate of +5. In my second batch, my acceptance rate should be -15%. And in my third batch, the acceptance rate should be really high, like more than 25%. Then and then only these will be approved, these will be accepted. So now we are done with the dissolution test for the tablets. Now we'll discuss for the capsules. So here we go. All right, so sorry about that. So for the capsules, okay. So for the capsules, we will see the disintegration time. For tablets, we had the dissolution time. For capsules, we'll have the disintegration time. What does disintegration mean? To slowly break down into small particles and separate. So here what will happen? A capsule has like 2 shells fitted into each other, right? So first thing will happen is that the shell is going to break. So the shell breaks, and inside there will be a powder or granules present. They'll start to disintegrate, then they'll reach the site of action, and then they will show the action. All right, now let's dive into the instrument. Ignore my petty diagram, but yeah, you'll understand. So basically what we'll have here, we'll have a beaker. Okay, we'll have a big huge size beaker which will be filled with a solution. Now what will be the solution? It can be 0.1 normal of HCl, or it has to be buffer, or it has to be water, right? On the top there'll be tubes attached. Basically you are supposed to have 6 tubes, and in each tube you are going to place one capsule, right? And then here on the top you'll have a lid which will close it. Below you are having all the you have indicator, you have a thermostat for the temperature, and you'll have a speed regulator. Now this is how you are performing the disintegration test. So this is known as a disintegrating apparatus. Okay. So how does this work? It will show the peristaltic movement, which means up and down, up and down, up and down, just like it happens inside our body. So peristaltic, up and down motion like the body. So it will move up and down, up and down, up and down. All right, now let's move into how it is done. So basically if your first batch fails, like if I've put the 6 tablets and most of them fail the disintegration test, then what? If the first batch fail, we have to run another test. Now in all the 3, 1, 2 and 3, I'm supposed to put 6 capsules, 6 capsules, 6 capsules. So in total I will perform my test on 18 capsules. Now what does USP say? Or what does IP say? Here we are supposed to see the IP, Indian Pharmacopoeia. So Indian Pharmacopoeia says that if you're running a test on 18 capsules, then 16 capsules, minimum 16 capsules should give the positive result in the disintegration test. So this was all about dissolution of tablets and capsules.